Embarking on a journey toward weight loss involves not only adopting positive habits, but also recognizing and eliminating detrimental daily practices that can impede progress. In this video, we delve into 6 dangerous daily habits that, when left unaddressed, can sabotage weight loss efforts. By understanding the intricate impact of skipping meals, mindless snacking, a sedentary lifestyle, poor sleep habits, excessive sugar consumption, and emotional eating, we can pave the way for informed and effective strategies to achieve sustainable weight management. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Skipping meals. Skipping meals can have profound implications for your body's metabolic processes and overall energy balance. When you skip a meal, particularly breakfast, your body's response mechanisms are triggered. Firstly, the body may experience a surge in hunger later in the day, leading to overeating and potentially making unhealthy food choices. Furthermore, prolonged periods without food may prompt the body to adapt by slowing down its metabolic rate. This adaptive response is an evolutionary mechanism to conserve energy, making it more challenging for individuals trying to lose weight. Mindless snacking. Consuming snacks absent-mindedly can result in excessive calorie intake, particularly if the snacks are high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats. To combat mindless snacking, a multifaceted approach is required. Cultivating mindfulness in eating habits involves paying attention to hunger cues and the nutritional content of snacks. Creating a structured eating environment, establishing designated snack times, and choosing nutrient-dense options can help break the cycle of impulsive and unnecessary snacking, promoting healthier eating habits. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle, characterized by prolonged periods of sitting and minimal physical activity, has profound implications for weight management and overall health. The body's energy expenditure decreases during extended periods of sitting, contributing to a decline in metabolic rate. Regular physical activity is indispensable for weight loss, as it not only burns calories but also enhances muscle mass, which further elevates the resting metabolic rate. A holistic approach to combating a sedentary lifestyle involves incorporating a diverse range of physical activities into daily life, such as cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and even short breaks of movement during prolonged sitting periods. Poor sleep habits. Sleep deprivation can lead to an increase in the hunger hormone ghrelin and a decrease in the satiety hormone leptin, creating an environment conducive to overeating. Additionally, tiredness resulting from poor sleep quality can diminish motivation for physical activity. To address poor sleep habits, a comprehensive approach is necessary. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine, optimizing sleep environment factors, such as light and noise, and prioritizing sleep as a fundamental aspect of overall well-being are critical components of successful weight loss. Excessive sugar consumption. Foods and beverages high in added sugars contribute empty calories, offering little nutritional value. Beyond the caloric impact, a diet rich in added sugars can lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels, creating cycles of energy spikes and crashes. These fluctuations can trigger increased cravings for more sugary foods, perpetuating a cycle of unhealthy eating. Reducing sugar intake involves a meticulous examination of food labels, making informed choices about food and beverage options, and opting for whole, unprocessed foods. Emotional eating. Using food as a coping mechanism for stress, sadness, or boredom can lead to overeating and weight gain over time. Understanding and addressing the root causes of emotional eating require a multifaceted approach. Developing emotional intelligence and awareness of triggers, engaging in mindfulness practices, finding alternative coping mechanisms, such as exercise or creative activities, and seeking support from friends and family are integral components of breaking free from emotional eating patterns. Embarking on a weight loss journey involves adopting sustainable habits that contribute to overall well-being. Here are 5 of the best habits to facilitate healthy and effective weight loss. Balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Focus on consuming a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. This not only provides essential nutrients for overall health, but also helps control hunger by providing sustained energy. Portion control is crucial, and mindful eating practices can enhance your awareness of hunger and fullness cues. Regular physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity to support weight loss and overall health. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Cardiovascular exercises burn calories, while strength training helps build muscle, which contributes to an increased metabolic rate. Find activities you enjoy to make exercise a sustainable part of your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. Adequate hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall health and can support weight loss. Drinking water before meals may help control appetite, leading to lower calorie intake during meals. Sometimes, feelings of thirst are mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can help prevent unnecessary snacking. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, but individual hydration needs may vary based on factors like climate and physical activity. Quality sleep. Establishing healthy sleep habits is crucial for effective weight management. Poor sleep can disrupt the balance of hormones that regulate hunger and fullness, leading to increased cravings for high-calorie foods. Additionally, fatigue from inadequate sleep can decrease motivation for physical activity. Strive for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night by creating a consistent sleep schedule, optimizing your sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques before bedtime. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating to enhance awareness of your eating habits and promote healthier choices. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, eat slowly, and savor each bite. Avoid distractions like watching TV or using electronic devices while eating, as this can lead to overconsumption. By being present during meals, you're more likely to make conscious choices, enjoy your food, and develop a positive relationship with eating. In conclusion, the path to successful weight loss extends beyond simply adopting healthier habits. It involves a conscientious effort to eliminate detrimental daily practices. Understanding the profound impact of these habits, both physiologically and psychologically, empowers individuals on their weight loss journey. By addressing the root causes and consequences of these behaviors, we can cultivate informed decision-making and lasting lifestyle changes. As we bid farewell to these dangerous habits, let us welcome a future characterized by healthier choices, mindful living, and a commitment to well-being. May this journey towards a healthier lifestyle be not just a temporary endeavor, but a transformative and enduring shift towards a life filled with vitality and balance.